Hi guys, this is Aisha and let's start the beautiful maroon gold makeup or the witchy witch makeup. So let's start. For the primer, I'm using Maybelline's Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser as a primer because it makes the skin very soft and make the makeup last for a longer period of time. For the foundation, I'm using Max Factor's Miracle Pure Foundation in the shade 76 Warm Golden. It's a very good foundation because it's very light and looks very natural. And because the focus of this makeup is on heavy eye makeup, bold, witchy eye makeup, so I am doing this skin very natural, very soft, but it's a dewy foundation, so yeah, use it thoroughly all over your face. And because it's a light foundation, so we will use a color corrector. And for the color corrector, I'm using a foundation actually from Inglot Cosmetics. It's in the shade 84, basically one shade darker than my skin tone. So you can apply this trick to use a darker foundation, and make sure to blend the concealer or set it wherever you have to conceal those parts before setting it up with a powder. For the setting powder, I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder. Really good to set your makeup, especially under your eyes. And because I have acne prone oily skin, so I'm going to set my whole face because I get sweat a lot and the foundation just melts. So for the purple eye shade, I have used Max Dark Room, a really good vampy purple dark shade, and with a fluffy brush and applying all over my lid. Now I have used Max Carbon Black eye shade and I'm using it on my lash line, and I'm blending it again, both these two shades, with a fluffy brush, so it gives an appearance of black and purple, but these are both merged together. And now again I'm using the black shade on my lower lash line and now blending it carefully, and now using the purple shade underneath the black and thoroughly blending it to give a smooth appearance. And I have used gray glitter from Inglot Cosmetics. I'm gonna Ingrid Cosmetics. So you can use any other gray or silver eye shade. And I've used it on the inner corner of my eyes as well. And careful, only take a very little quantity. And I think the gray shimmer has made this makeup look much more beautiful. And now for the eyeliner, I'm using Max Factor Kajal Pencil in the shade Black. And now as a contour, I'm using the same eye shade, Max Dark Room, but I have used a very little quantity. Mistakenly, I use more. So yeah, just use a light hand, feather like hand, and use it as a contour. You can use a brown contour as well, but I think this looks much more better. And now I'm using the shimmer from MAC, a rose gold shimmer. It looks really beautiful, and I'm filling my eyebrows with a black pencil. For the lip, I've used Inglot Cosmetics maroon lipstick. I'm gonna put the name in the description box below. I don't remember it actually, but it's a really beautiful vampy shade, and our look is complete.